Queen. I have a Facebook page of the same name, and Twitter is XRP Crypto Queen. But today we're going to talk about how to maneuver around within KuCoin and buy whatever you want. Okay, as you can see, I don't keep much on exchanges anymore. In fact, there's not much that I can trade either one of these for, so I probably have to upload some more cash into this in order to do anything. But I just wanted to show you basically, you know, where everything is. Okay, so this is your overview page, tells you what's in your main account, trading account, margin account. As you can see, I don't have a whole lot in any of these, right? And let's go to main. And oh, I guess I bought some XDC block NFT. Do I have these still? Yeah, I guess I do. All right, well, cool. I can't really move XDC anywhere other than to Sinfin wallet, but I think I'll just leave it on here. And block and this NFT is nominal. So is block, actually. So I'll just leave those alone. But yeah, let's go up here. Here's your market page, and it just tells you what's going on and all that. I want to go back here, though. Let's see. Yeah, here's where you can do your trading and all that kind of stuff. Now, before you get going on doing this, you can go here, and here's all your choices. Let's see, fiat. So you could use BTC to BRL. What's that? British. I'm going to assume that's something with British pound, maybe. I don't know. I don't deal in any of that. Let's see. I did trade in Forex for a while. That's very difficult to learn, as is crypto trading, but I am learning at the moment, so I will keep you posted on that. Metaverse. Okay, so you got some options in here, and what's the margin? Okay, so you got your margin percentages right in here. Okay, so let's see. Let's go back, because I am a simple person. I usually go for fast trade. So let's see how they work this one. Yeah, I want to spend and I want to buy. So here you go. Let's say I wanted to spend $250 today. Okay, I could buy USDT. Let's say I wanted to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so 008. You can Zelle the money over and you're done. But with Bitcoin where it is right now, I'm not buying anything. And I just bought some more XRP and XLM the other day, so I'm not buying anything today. But I did want to show you how to work within KuCoin. Now, let's say that you had, let's see, your wallet. Okay, self-custody wallet. Nope. Let's go back a sec. Sorry. Here we go. See, there's probably not enough in here for me to withdraw, and there's nowhere I can store this. But let's say I did have, let's say I had XLM or Bitcoin on here. I would simply click on withdraw. You select your coin, right? You can hit search, hit Bitcoin, BTC. You would enter your withdrawal address, which you would get from whatever wallet you're going to take it to, whether that's Ledger or over to Exodus or whatever it is. Okay, and then you select the network. And that would be XDC network. Okay, well, you know what? We're not going anywhere with this. So, but that's how you would do it. And it's fairly straightforward to move anything off of KuCoin. Now, again, I don't trade, I don't do any of that stuff, but if you wanted to, and I'm learning, but I really want to work with a bot, and I really want to work with a person who knows what they're doing. So right now I'm investigating 2 people, and I will keep you posted on how that goes. I'm leaning more towards one than the other. And see, trading bots are kind of the way to go. You can earn passive profits without monitoring the market or being by your computer constantly, because I'm not on for that. Let's take a look at what it is. So you got spot grid futures, martingale. I don't know what that is, but it's new. And smart rebalance. Okay, so you know, here I will get back to this when I know more about trading. But if you are using KuCoin, that is how you go about. See, it even has it here. How do I withdraw crypto from my KuCoin account? And it'll tell you. So here's your beginner, and it actually has, what do you know, a YouTube video. But as I described to you, it's pretty easy to do. So yeah, withdraw from your main or trading. And yeah, you have to put in your 2FA code, your trading password, which you should have written down in a notebook or 3, hidden from everything, right? And then you just follow the instructions. So that is it. And I'll wrap it right there because it's right here in the back office of KuCoin. So hopefully this was helpful. Please hit like. That really does help this video to get seen. And if you get value from my content, please hit subscribe and the notification bell and on all so that you see whenever I release a new video. And on that note, ciao for now. See you on the next video. Thanks so much.